We started Lygos with the goal of replacing really toxic, expensive, existing petrochemicals with clean, sustainable, renewable biotechnology. I'm Eric Steen, I'm the CEO at Lygos, and at Lygos we ultimately engineer yeast, or a brewing process, to convert sugar into high-value specialty chemicals and ultimately what could be game-changing new materials to the world. Everything from flavors and fragrances to pharmaceuticals to making the next best coating that stands up on your cars. Lygos' products are enabling elimination of the toxic chemistry that off-gases and creates cancer in workers. There's a real economic challenge in the middle of the country as corn farmers continue to be better and better at producing the corn, but the outputs of where that corn ends up, the markets aren't there anymore. The real challenge that Lygos solves by ultimately providing a new product suite upon which corn can be converted into. Really what we built for malonic acid was a platform technology and company, including software that enables us to design yeast to convert sugar into new products. We see our processes and our technology ending up in a lot of different areas. Ultimately, what I see Berkeley as being is one of the leading spots of practicing biotechnology. Our staff really comes from PhDs from the university and operators that are coming out of the Lawrence Berkeley lab. Lygos sees a number of these really big, grand challenges that ultimately petrochemistry has done to the world. So we believe that biotechnology is the most high-tech manufacturing solution. Nature's provided this to us already, and we're at Lygos harnessing this to come up with the solutions that will solve some of these critical challenges going forward.